Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Thursday and marks another trading day of the week. So before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, we are at 1:30 Ghana time. We are expecting PPI news, unemployment claims. So PPI, we are expecting positive. PPI news, we are expecting positive. Unemployment claims, we are expecting positive. This is the fundamentals we have for today. Now let's go back to the chart. As you can see, yesterday, CPI was crazy. The same thing that happened on Wednesday, Tuesday, happened yesterday. Few pips to touch our zone, and it went again. The same thing happened yesterday, which means that the market is changing. So we need to also adjust ourselves. All right. We need to adjust our strategy. Yes. So it demands to put in some work because these days you can see that the market hardly touches the zones. It means that the market is changing, is shifting from a place to a place, of which means we also need to shift ourselves, adjust ourselves to meet the market dynamics now. All right. Yeah. Okay. So what is likely to happen today? Daily time frame. Now, if you look at gold, you can see that yesterday, gold still closed bullish. And already this morning, you can see it has flew. It has flew over 100 pips. And is it likely for a new all-time high to be created today? It's possible. And also, we are expecting positive news. So if the news comes out positive, then it means gold will drop. But is it going to create a new high before the news? Or the news will also come negative for it to create a new high? What is really going to happen? We are going to find out. So according to daily, these are the support and resistance, current support and resistance. So let's go to H4. When you go to H4, this is our resistance. That's the resistance 2919. H4, that is our resistance. Now, if you look at it very well, you can see that the market is approaching that resistance. Is it going to respect or is it going to break? This is a morning, evening star pattern formation. So it might respect. If it respects, then we should expect a sell or a drop on gold. All right. Whatever happens, you exercise patience and you wait. All right. Yeah. So let's go to H1. Good. So when you go to H1, this is what is happening. And as you can see, H1 is having multiple zones. H1 is having multiple zones. So you wait. When it gets to 23, okay, 29, 23, and the market wants to reverse, we are going to see that happening. Okay. Yeah. So these are the zones I'll be watching today. I'll be observing these levels today and see what really will happen when the market reaches there. All right. So just relax yourself, sit back, watch, and wait. That's the only way you would see what is going on in the market. And that is the only way you will be able to trade and trade well, actually. All right. Yeah. So when you come to 30 minutes, you can see the nice zone breakout here. So if we want to buy gold, here is where we are going to wait and buy. Okay. So I'm expecting that the market will reverse from this level back here. Then we can take the buy all the way to the upside. All right. So somewhere 29.60. So if we are going to buy, we are waiting here. Okay. We will wait 29.05. That's where I want to buy gold today. If not, we will still see. If it breaks this level, okay, if it's not able to respect this and drop and it breaks this level, we can also look for a buy above here. Okay, in that case, you are going to see something like this for a continuation push. And when it gets to this resistance, we will see to that whether it's going to respect or it's going to break, because this is also a strong bearish engulfing candle, 30 minutes. When it gets here, it might still respect and drop back to this zone probably. Then we can take the buy all the way to the upside. So don't be in a hurry trying to trade at all cost. Watch the market carefully, see the patterns it's creating, watch it, then you will be able to trade successfully. All right. Yeah, so this weekend is also going to be very hot because we need to go back into the dark room and work very well, right? Work on ourselves, because the way the market is not touching the zones these days is telling us that, yes, the market is changing, and we also need to adjust ourselves to get ourselves involved in whatever is happening now. All right. Okay, so guys, if you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. And if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the description. If you are watching on YouTube, the link is in the bio. If you are watching on TikTok. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well, because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I'll see you in the next video, and have a nice day.